Have you ever wondered why fish, despite having the entire ocean as their playground, choose to undertake arduous journeys across vast distances? It's a question that has intrigued scientists and casual observers alike for centuries. The answer lies in the fascinating phenomenon known as fish migration. Fish migration is a critical aspect of a fish's life cycle. It's a journey made by fish, often in large groups or schools, from one part of a water body to another, or even from one water body to another entirely. And while this journey seems incredibly taxing, it's essential for their survival. But why do fish migrate? The reasons are as varied as the species that undertake these journeys. For some, it's a quest for food. Many fish species travel great distances following their food sources. For others, migration is driven by the urge to reproduce. Salmon, for instance, are known for their incredible journeys upstream, from the ocean back to the freshwater rivers and streams where they were born, to spawn the next generation. These journeys, often spanning hundreds of miles, are a testament to the biological imperative of ensuring their species' survival. And then there are those who migrate for survival from predators or harsh environmental conditions. The European eel, for example, spends most of its life in freshwater rivers and lakes throughout Europe, but when it's time to spawn, they undertake a perilous journey of nearly 4,000 miles to the Sargasso Sea in the Atlantic Ocean. Fish migration is a complex, multi-faceted process, driven by a combination of environmental cues, instinct, and biological necessity. It's a testament to the incredible adaptability and resilience of these aquatic creatures, whose very survival hinges on these epic journeys. Understanding these journeys is like unlocking a secret language of the seas. In order to understand the different types of migration, it's crucial to dive deeper into the aquatic world. Imagine being a fish that likes to switch between fresh and salt water. Sounds fascinating, right? Welcome to the world of diadromous fish, the aquatic explorers of our planet. Diadromous migration is a unique type of fish migration that involves a remarkable switch between fresh and saltwater environments. This journey isn't just a whimsical wander. It's a crucial part of these fish's life cycles, affecting their growth, reproduction, and survival. There are two main types of diadromous migration: anadromous and katadromous. First up, we have the anadromous fish. A classic example of an anadromous fish is the mighty salmon. These fish are famous for their upstream journeys to their spawning grounds. Their migration is so remarkable it's become a symbol of determination and perseverance. These guys are born in freshwater environments such as rivers or streams, but they don't stay there for long. As they grow, they develop a craving for a salty seaside adventure. So, off they go, migrating to the sea. But their journey doesn't end there. Once they're mature, they swim all the way back to their freshwater birthplaces to spawn. Now that's a round trip. On the other hand, we have katadromous fish. These fish flip the script. Eels are the poster children of katadromous migration. Despite their slimy exterior, these fish are fascinating creatures. They're born in the salty sea, but as they grow, they decide to swap the ocean waves for calm freshwater rivers and lakes. And when it's time to spawn, you guessed it, they head back to the sea. Their migration journey is one of the most complex and mysterious in the animal kingdom. So whether it's the salmon swimming upstream or the eel slithering back to the sea, these fish are true adventurers. They brave challenging environments and travel great distances just to reproduce and ensure the survival of their species. These fish are the epitome of adaptability, aren't they? They truly exemplify nature's incredible capacity for survival and adaptation. What if you're a fish that prefers the vastness of the ocean and never ventures into fresh water? This is precisely the case for fish that undertake oceanodromous migration. Two good examples of oceanodromous fish are tuna and herring. These species make extensive migrations within the ocean for food and spawning. Tuna, for instance, are known to travel thousands of miles across the open ocean in their lifetimes. So, for these fish, the ocean is not just a home, but a journey. They traverse its expanse in a constant quest for survival, driven by the changing seasons, the pursuit of food, and the call to spawn. Their lives are a testament to the incredible adaptability and resilience of life in our planet's vast oceans. These are fish species that spend their entire lives in the salty embrace of the sea, migrating within the ocean's vast expanse rather than making journeys from saltwater to freshwater or vice versa. Now, one might wonder, why would these fish need to migrate at all? Can't they just stay where they are? Well, the reasons are actually quite similar to why we humans move around. It's about survival and propagation of the species. Seasonal changes, food availability, and spawning are the primary drivers of oceanodromous migration. Now, think about being a fish that loves the calm and serenity of freshwater. Potamodromous migration is a fascinating natural phenomenon where fish migrate but remain within freshwater bodies. Some species of fish, like the majestic sturgeon, travel long distances to their preferred spawning grounds, often the very places they were born. These fish are like homing pigeons of the water, returning to their birthplaces to create the next generation. But it's not all about food and family. These migrations also help fish escape predators. By constantly moving, they can stay one step ahead of those who would love to make them a meal. It's a bit like playing a never-ending game of hide-and-seek, where the stakes are incredibly high. These fish are incredible creatures, demonstrating a fascinating aspect of aquatic life that often goes unnoticed. Indeed, these fish find their whole world in freshwater. Their lives revolve around the ebb and flow of rivers and lakes, with each migration marking a new chapter in their waterbound journey. Each type of fish migration we've explored today, Diadromous, Oceanodromous, and Potamodromous, underscores this narrative, painting a vivid picture of the adaptability and resilience of these aquatic creatures. Let's take a quick dive back into the depths of these migrations. Diadromous migration, remember, is a fascinating two-way street. They split their lives between freshwater and saltwater environments, adapting to the unique challenges of both. These migrations are driven by the pursuit of food and suitable breeding grounds, and they're a testament to the remarkable adaptability of these species. Moving on to oceanodromous migration, this is the realm of the long-distance travelers. Their migrations are not merely impressive feats of endurance, but are also crucial for maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. Last but not least, we have potamodromous migration. This is the world of freshwater wanderers, fish that migrate within rivers and lakes. Species like the sturgeon and the lamprey embark on these journeys for the same reasons as their saltwater counterparts, to feed and reproduce. Their migrations, often upstream against the current, are a testament to their tenacity and survival instincts. In each of these migrations, we see a common thread: the relentless drive to survive and reproduce, the ability to adapt to different environments, and the resilience in the face of seemingly insurmountable challenges. Our finned friends, it seems, are not just drifting along with the current, they are active participants in the dance of life. Next time you see a fish, remember it may be on an incredible journey, proving that life indeed is a voyage. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with others, and write your thoughts about this fascinating nature life in the comment column below.